Hey everyone, I'm Scott Cunningham, aka Scott TV Business, and today we're here with Zach Nien from Contentos, where he is the VP of Product. Can you just start off by telling us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Hello, everyone. I'm Zach. I'm the VP of Product at Contentos Foundation. And I joined Contentos at the mid of 2018 when the project was still in an early stage. As of me, I've been a software developer for like 7 or 8 years, and then started to take care more on product design and also management since 2017. So I think this hybrid working experience make me feel comfortable when working with developers and also the non-technical stakeholders. And I love cats. CryptoKitty drew my attention, and that's when I started to actually trade cryptos. Yeah.
Awesome. So what does your average day look like now?
Well, I start every day feeding my cat, but that's probably not the answer our audience would care. But at office, communication is essential. So normally, our community managers will report issues and suggestions from our COSers. They are not cosplayers, but the people who hold COS token. We feel that's kind of cute to call them COSers. And some of these suggestions are regarding COS TV or Photogrid, these two dApps on Contentos ecosystem. So we need to discuss with the product team on how these suggestions can turn into implementation.
Awesome. So for people who don't know what COS.TV is and what Contentos is, can you just give a bit of a breakdown and introduction to those?
Sure. Let me give the introduction of Contentos first. Contentos is a blockchain and also a content ecosystem. Its name has two meanings. It's content OS, the operating system for content, or Contentos as happiness in Spanish. So basically we want every user to be happy. And since we launched the Contentos mainnet last September as scheduled, there are built-in token incentive for users to create great content, just like you. And and also user can identify the great ones and to interact with others. So having proper rewarding model and very promising dev partners, Contentos is now growing to be the largest decentralized content ecosystem. Yeah, so that's Contentos. And COS TV is a content is a video platform resides on the Contentos ecosystem, and it's mainly for the video creators and also the audience to consume those great videos. We have a very active user base in Brazil recently, so we think we can learn a lot from their actual usage, so we can try to expand our market, in the future.
Okay, awesome. So what problem does Contentos set out to solve in the market currently?
When you see content platform, it's obvious YouTube is the biggest one, and it's doing well. But it indeed give everyone a stage to publish content for free. And here I use for free, but not freely, because when we think twice, there are just too many cases that YouTubers got demonetized or even banned, not knowing why. So it's lack of the transparency. So, and especially like revenue distribution and also the traffic distribution is when it's come to those centralized platform, it's like a black box. So the content creators don't know how their content would be distributed to the audience, and also how they can make money from those content. And also the users, the audience is recommended to the content that can bring the revenue to the content.
Okay. Yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense. And so how exactly does the community like come to that consensus, or how does that work exactly?
Recently, we're trying to call for a group of our heavy users. They can help us to identify the great content and to help us to report some abuse. So in fact, in our rewarding model, we reward user to like the great content, and by liking those content, the content creator gets a share of the rewarding, and also the audience who interact with the content, like sending likes or comment to the content, get a part of the reward. So we want to make this engagement and interaction to actually bring values. So it gives our users an incentive to interact with the great content, and to, as for the bad content or some abusive content, the reporting system will work. And also in of day, we will have those users who upload bad videos to have less reputation. So
So how did Contentos get its name? And then what was kind of the original motivations behind starting it?
Well, just like I said, Contentos has two meanings, like a content operating system, content OS, and also Contentos in Spanish, meaning happiness. So we really would like to bring happiness to the content creators, to the audience, and every stakeholders on our ecosystem. So that's the origin of the name. And as for the original idea or motivation, our co-founder, Mick, was in content industry. He was the head of operation at LiveMe, a live streaming app, which is famous in the US and several markets. And it is also when Mick got in touch with several very talented content creators and started to realize that the content industry is growing so fast, but it seems like the creators are not getting sufficient benefit from the industry giants like YouTube. So when blockchain and crypto comes into a very rapid growth, Nick and the founding members think there might be chance that we can solve the problem with blockchain and the token economy to make sure that everything is transparent enough, and also the token economy can help to make the rewarding model that is favorable to content creators and the audience.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. And then what are some of the updates that are on the way for Contentos? Like what's in the works, or what is set to release fairly soon?
I'd say the COS TV app is something our user expect the most. We got the Android app launched just a month ago, and it helped COS TV gain a 300% growth. I think, in monthly visit. So
Wow.
which we think that that's very, very, very promising, and that's just only the Android version. So there's a great news that the iOS version is coming soon. So I think that's kind of the expectation that we are in response to our causers. Yeah. And other than that, we've seen more causers seeking to build their blog producer to be part of the ecosystem. So they want to join, and also they can earn our blog production reward through being our blog producer. So we are making it simpler to set up a BP candidate so more people could join. And we're also planning some.
Yeah, that's always big. Yeah. So how do you feel that Contentos fits in with other existing similar projects, as well as COS.TV? How do you feel it kind of fits in with other video hosting applications, and then just how Contentos kind of fits in with other similar blockchains?
Well, there were a bunch of content-related blockchain project when I joined Contentos in like the mid of 2018, and I doubt if half of them are still working now. So I think we're it's blessing that we're still here and we're having some great achievement. About half a year ago, COS TV just launched, and with the effort from our team members and our amazing users, COS TV is now ranked like 28,000 globally from Alexa ranking, and yeah, it's already surpassing Steemit.com to be the top used decentralized content platform. So I think that's a very great achievement that I would like to share with our community. And I think our team is amazing that the product owner scheduled regular meetings with our user to learn from them and to see what they really need, so we can tweak our product according to them. So I'd say Contentos is perhaps, or COS TV perhaps would be the most user-friendly app that we care about our users, because we really want the content creators and audience to benefit from those our algorithm and also our product design. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. And then where would you say you see both of them going in the next year, and then I guess ideally in the next 5 years, because it's always very hard to look that far ahead in the future in the crypto space, but in an ideal future?
Yeah. Well, in this year, just like I mentioned, monetization and the searching for some incoming business model is the focus for us. So with the monetization, like perhaps we're trying to, like, the investment program, and also we're trying to brainstorm that if user can borrow some fast, which is the voting power, from others, is it possible? Or can we make the content recommendation based on the token they have, or some other? We brainstorm a lot of things. So some of them will be carried out this year, so we can see there would be more monetization way and business model. And also, if we got this right, we would think it's
Awesome. Yeah, no, that's definitely a great vision to have. I mean, it seems like you guys are working hard to make that happen, especially when you mentioned how you guys actually surpassed Steemit for your Alexa ranking. That's very impressive, especially considering how long they've been around and how new you guys are. So what actually is the current user base size then, and how well is the project growing?
Well, let me check our Explorer. I see for now we have more than 300,000 mainnet accounts in our Contentos blockchain. Yeah, and we have like daily active user for 6,000. That is from COS TV and PhotoGrid, two of our dApps. So I think this is a lot, but also we know that many of our users are not even aware that they are using blockchain. So we think it's good news that we can try to acquire more users that they are not even crypto users. So which we think we are trying that way. And so for daily new users, we got like 1.5 thousand. So we're actually acquiring new users. So I think it's very organic to our ecosystem. We're actually growing.
Yeah, wow, you guys are definitely growing at a really awesome. And so that's everything on my end. Again, thank you so much for doing this. Anyone who hasn't checked out COS.tv, definitely go check that out. Go and learn about Contentos on contentos.io. Again, thank you so much for doing this. I'm sure everyone learned a lot, and I learned a little bit myself. So again, really great to have you on here.
Thank you, Scott.
Awesome. Thanks.